Meet Jessica. Jessica is worried about her upcoming exams, but thanks to a recent workshop she attended on exam strategies, she's going to conquer her anxiety and ace her final exams. Jessica's been pretty good about attending her lectures, taking good notes, and catching up on all her course readings. In her workshop, Jessica learned to ask what material she'll be tested on and how the exam is structured so she can study appropriately. Jessica starts by taking an inventory of all her notes. That's when she remembers that she missed a week of lectures when she was sick. Jessica asks her friend Liz, who's in the same class, to share her notes for the week she missed. She also sets a regular schedule for studying. She makes sure she doesn't change her dietary habit, especially with sugar and caffeine. She still enjoys a morning coffee. She also still goes out for a run every day and doesn't ignore her workouts during the exam period. And she still goes to bed at regular hours. Jessica knows that keeping her body well rested will keep her mind stay focused for the exam. Jessica makes a 5-day study plan for each of her exams. That means she develops a list of all the material she's being tested on, divides it across 4 days, allocates a block of time to study a new section each day, and compiles an abbreviated set of notes while she reviews. On the 5th day, she focuses on reviewing the core notes that she compiled. Jessica is ready for her exam. Are you? For more information on exam strategies and time management, visit the Learning Commons study toolkits or attend one of our online workshops.